Hi, my name is Khalifa Shu'aib. I am 19 years old and I live in Kaduna, Nigeria. I am currently studying mechatronics engineering at Afe Babalola University, Ekiti State, Nigeria. And this is my CS50 final project, QR Attendance Logger. It's a web application that I created for my school. So I currently have my web app running on my local host and it works like this. The application is capable of collecting, storing, and displaying individual student class attendance data in a format that's more convenient and accessible for both the students and teachers. The students sign their attendance by scanning a QR code that redirects them to a Google form like this one. This is a sample Google form for a COE 415 Communication Principles class, and these are the matriculation numbers of the students expected to attend this class. A matriculation number is the equivalent of a student identification number. And there are two ways to collect student attendance data. The first method is by generating a single QR code that can be used by all of the students in class. It can be displayed to them like this. And to generate this code, I first have to log in as a teacher. It should be noted that before any operation can be carried out on any course, I would first have to add that course to the list of courses that I teach. I already have communication principles here, so I would not need to add it again. This input field is for the URL that the QR code being generated should redirect to. So the course code that we're generating QR code for is COE415. And the class number is the number of the class for that semester. So now that the code has been generated, it can be downloaded and displayed to the students in class. And the second method is by preparing unique QR codes for each student. The advantage of using this method is that the student would not need to go through a long list of matriculation numbers after scanning this code, as their response would be filled automatically. I prepared these QR codes by using some Google APIs, which I'll link in the description. After the students have signed their attendance, the teacher is required to collect their responses and upload them to a database I implemented using SQLite. I've already downloaded the responses, so I'll just go ahead. The course code is COE415 and the file that we're uploading is this. Attendance file successfully uploaded. So now we can display the attendance data for COE415. And the students can also view the classes that they've attended. So first let me log out and sign in as a student. And this was my final project for CS50, QR Attendance Logger. I hope you liked this video.